Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I've uploaded my gratitude list into Cricut Design Space, and what I realized is that I won't be able to change the color here like I wanted. If I wanted to separate it out, I could slice it off and, do all that. But I wanted just the pink gratitude to be here and everything else to be black. So what I did, I went back into Cricut and I uploaded them separately as two PNG files, and so I'm about to show you how I merge them. Alright, so you see it's copy of gratitude, so that's the copy of it, and it should upload everything but the word gratitude. So I'm going to clean it up, click on complex, continue, and just clean up my background, which shouldn't be hard because there's not much here to clean up. So the Y and the S might show up as spaces that need some additional cleaning. And then I can click apply and continue. I want to do this as a cut file. So I'm uploading that, and then I'm going to go back and do the same thing. The one that says gratitude only. And so I'm going to clean that up. And then I'm just going to get in here closer because I know some of these letters, the R, A, and D, need to be cleaned a little bit more. Apply and continue. And then I can upload all of these together. I can upload all of these together into my project. So come on, computer. So I sat here for a second staring at a blank screen because my computer was not showing the word gratitude there for whatever reason, even though it had uploaded. So I'm clicking both of those and adding it to my canvas. And I think I took my original down to a size 6. Yep, that's almost duplicated. And not sure why my gratitude is looking like that, but let's see if I can take that over to a 6. That's way too large. I'm going to try a 3 since I'm now playing with the size on it. Okay, so a 3.3 looks almost perfect. By doing it this way, I can change the color. So now if I want it pink, I want it purple, I want it blue, I can change it to whatever I want it. And it's just merging two PNG files and essentially layering it. Now if I wanted this to be gold, I can do it in gold. If you upload all of one file, you want the whole thing black, that's fine. Change your colors. You can click and change your colors. The colors here really don't matter because it's whatever you're going to cut when you send it to your cutting mat. But when you have it, to be able to have it as two separate colors works, because when you send it to your cutting mat, it's going to register it as two separate colors. For those that don't know. But if you send it to your mat all in black, it will make it a little bit difficult. You probably have to stop and start your machine to actually get it to do what you want it to do by doing it manually. But this way, it's going to cut like you want it to cut. You can layer your items however you want when you actually go to put your vinyl on, whether it's a cup, a mug, a board, whatever. But it will allow you to have those two color mixes. So I just wanted to show people that. I hope that helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later.